Good morning, YouTubers. This is my second video on my solar system. I'm attempting to get up and operational. Since my last video, I've cleared my board from all the junk that was up there, leaving the charge controller, the cutoff, and my inbox from the outside. Getting ready to mount a 6,000 watt power bright inverter that I got from Home Depot. A little bit heavy, so trying to figure out the best way to mount it. There's my battery bank, and there's the inverter, which I'll be putting up. I was able to get my exterior, my second panel up, my Grape Solar. I was mistaken. I thought it was a 250 watt. It's only 180 watt, and the size is actually different. So I did install the second panel. As you can see, the size is a little different, but it does leave room for additional panels, so that's good. I do have 6 solar Harbor Freight 45 watt solar panels that I was going to put towards the bottom there. Anyway, just a quick look at the 2 panels completed, and I put the 2 panels in parallel at 12 volts because I'm running a 12 volt system. So that's the outcome of the installation of the panels. And then I'm going to do another video showing you the completion of the wiring and the installation of the inverter. Okay? Part 2.